I'll give you some time to work on your homework.
Yes.
So, number one, how do you solve? First of all, what's the saying that we always use? Opposite operation. So what operation are these two right now? Multiplication. So what would be the opposite? So I divide, and what number do I divide by? 6. Okay, so that would give me C equals what?
3.
Thumbs up if you got that. Okay. What operation are these two right now, Gracie? So what do I do to solve? So I divide by what number? Close. Negative 8. Okay. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. And then what do you get? 24 divided by 8 is 3. Thumbs up if you got negative 3. Good. Julia, what operation are these two right now? So what's the opposite? So I divide by what number? 7. So a negative divided by a positive is a negative, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. Thumbs up if that's what you got. Okay? If you didn't, make sure you're fixing these. What operation are these two right now, Damien? Division. So what's the opposite? And what number do you multiply by? So we multiply by 9. P equals what? 81. Thumbs up if you got 81. Okay. Aaron, what operation are these two right now? So what's the opposite? So I multiply by 12 and add ED. What do you get? Good. Thumbs up if you got negative 36. Okay. Samantha, what operation are these two right now? So what's the opposite? So I multiply by what number? Negative 10. So then Hayden, what do you get? 40. Thumbs up if you got 40. Awesome. Last one. Antonia earns $6 per hour, helping her grandmother write and solve an equation to find how many hours she needs to work to earn $48. So what's the total amount that she needs? So we know that she needs a total of 48, so it's going to equal 48. How much does she earn per hour? 6. And how would you figure out what operation would you do with 6 and the number of hours that you work? Multiplication. Do we know how many hours?
No.
So we'll write 6H, H for hours. What would I do to solve, Jada? We divide by 6, so H equals what? 8. And we write 8 hours. Thumbs up if you got 8 hours.
Why didn't it write it out?
You have to write it out because it says to write and solve. So it would be wrong, yes. But you need to fix it. We're fixing it anyway. The next one. A shark can swim at an average speed of 25 miles per hour. At this rate, how far can the shark swim in 2 4/10 hours? We have to use this formula. So this 25 miles per hour, is that your rate, distance, or time? That's the rate at which they swim, so it would be 25 in for R. Equals, is 2 4/10 hours the distance or the time? So that's going to go in for T. So we are missing the distance. What would you do to solve? Multiply by what? 2 4/10. So then we have 25 times 2 4/10. 4 times 5. 4 times 2 plus 2. Zero it out. 2 times 5. 2 times 2 plus 1. Add them together and I get, so is it 600 miles? No, what do you have to remember to do? One decimal place here, so you need it one place here, so it should be 60 miles. Thumbs up if you got 60 miles. Yes, Carter. That's fine. Any questions on this? Okay. Your homework is going to be on page 451. You need to do numbers 1 through 12. Okay, on number 12, you can use a calculator. Number 12 is the only one. So you should be done with the entire page before you can come up and grab a calculator. Okay? Cheyenne? You can't, no, not the assignment that we just checked, but the assignment that will be due tomorrow.